biomass pellet machine is a kind of equipment used to manufacture biomass pellet fuel. Its main characteristics are as follows: 1. High efficiency and energy saving. Biomass pellet machine using efficient power system and intelligent control technology can ensure the output power, reduce energy consumption, and reduce the loss of the machine. 2. Easy to operate. Biomass pellet machine has the characteristics of simple and convenient operation and easy maintenance. 3. Go green. Biomass pellet machine in the production process will not produce harmful gases and liquid waste. Biomass pellet fuel